As spring and summer arrive in the Accokeek area, so does the common issue of leaky hose bibs. These vital outdoor faucets can fall victim to the harsh winter, where the cycle of freezing and thawing may lead to cracks and subsequent leaks. This not only results in water waste, but can also significantly increase your water bill and potentially cause water damage to your home's exterior. If you're facing this seasonal challenge, it's crucial to address it promptly to prevent further damage and expense. Don't let a leaky hose bib dampen your warm weather enjoyment. Call 888-501-1193 today to connect with qualified plumbing professionals who can efficiently repair your outdoor faucets, ensuring you can care for your garden and outdoor needs without the worry of water waste. Act now and ensure your home is prepared to fully enjoy the season ahead.